Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious chicken with you guys. And this is it. This chicken I marinated for 2 days. The list of my spices and seasonings, I listed it for you to see. And I marinated it for 2 days. The secret ingredient is the soy sauce. So I'm frying it now with little bit of oil and butter, and I keep flipping it, and I use my fork to put holes on it so that it can soak this deliciousness, this yummy sauce. This chicken, it came out so delicious. This one at Bangbao is sweet die. I keep flipping and flipping and flipping and flipping. Then when it's dry, when that sauce in it is about to dry, I add more marinade to it. More of the marinade. Then I loosen it up, cover, and let it still fry. My family really enjoyed this chicken, and my guests for Christmas. This was my Christmas meal. It was so delicious. Sometimes you have to do something different with your chicken, not just normal frying and boiling. So my chicken is ready. Just bring them out of this yummy deliciousness. This I'm not gonna throw away. I'm going to be using it later. So now I'm gonna air fry my chicken. You can use your oven for this as well. And that is it. My chicken is ready. See? So delicious. That finger of mine, wow, I'm gonna lick it, It's so yummy. Nothing to waste. See, that is the sauce. So I'm going to be using this sauce to fry my vegetable that I'm going to use to garnish my chicken. I sliced bell peppers, all colors, bell peppers, 3 colors, sorry, not all colors, and onions. Added more of the sauce. I didn't add salt, I didn't add stock cube anymore because this sauce is just packed full. So I just fry it together. 2 minutes, it's ready. Still let my vegetables stay crunchy bit, not too long frying. So now I'm gonna use it to garnish my chicken. And that is it. And don't forget to share and like. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next